Traders and investors, welcome to the channel Market Chart Pattern. Today we'll be taking a look at the key US stocks that we have been following for quite some time, and we will be just reviewing the key pattern formations that we have been discussing and how the market has been performing. This video is for educational purposes only and it is not a financial advice. So what we are looking at is the daily chart of the Apple stock, and here our initial target quite a long time ago was $150 per share. That was met quite a while ago, probably around the beginning of February. So, and then the stock just went into a trading range, and then the stock began to get out of the trading range, but what we could see it to get 1, 2, 3 attempts to do that finally. And if you look at our last video, what you will see is that we have been pointing around 165 to $166 per share level, and we have drawn this box here. Looks like the stock is targeting the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement. Now, on the Apple stock and also Microsoft, I had done a longer term weekly chart video. I will try to put a link to that right at the end of this video. This video is going to be a short video. I'm not going to go through all the pattern formations like I usually do. The videos get too long, so it's going to be a short one here. So it looks like it's targeting $166 per share level. Watch the video for the longer term targets, which are quite possible that if the stock market remains in the ABCD structure that we think it is going into, then those might be possible. All right, let's take a look at Microsoft. All right, guys, so it looks like Microsoft, after reaching our initial target of $277 per share level, it appears to be gunning for $290 per share level. Also, we might have a structure coming here with a possible double top formation here. This is what we are watching in the Microsoft. Now let's take a look at Tesla. All right, guys, so the Tesla, I might be like a broken clock, where I just cannot emphasize how strong of resistance this $210 per share level has been, which we identified in advance. Just watch previous videos. So for this to be more bullish, this $210 per share level on a good closing basis, two consecutive daily closing basis, needs to be broken, and then we could have an A, B, C, D formation moving higher. Alternative, it's possible that it's actually moving in A, B, C, D right to around $145 per share level, filling in this gap which was left around here. This is what we're watching in Tesla. Let's take a look at Amazon. All right, guys, so Amazon, what we had actually, we were watching this ABCD. That's where this move terminated. Then we were looking for some support levels around here, which the market did not hold. It just went back into the range, found support around 78.6% Fibonacci retracement. And what we had discussed was that if the price begins to close above this brown line here, then probably this stock is also moving in an ABCD formation, and perhaps quite move to about $120 per share level. Looks quite at this stage a little bit difficult, but you know, it's possible if our analysis of this ABCD is correct, and then it'll just have a, you know, topping formation here with quite good resistance coming from structure around the left hand side. Let's take a look at Meta. So Meta finally closed above the $200 per share level, which is a 38.2% Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high, reached to the right to the bottom formation on 4th of November 2022. So the stock is now beginning to look good, and that's where the attention of the you know, those big funds which had actually been probably selling out of it because of several issues around the stock, privacy, Apple privacy coming in, hitting and stuff like that. But it looks like formerly Facebook and Meta has kind of, you know, overcome those advertising constraints being put on by the change the Apple made about a year, maybe 2 years ago, and that's why we see pretty good move here. But basically on technical levels, you know, it's trading above for quite a while. above the 38 to 38.2% natural retracement, it's constructive for this stock. Let's take a look at Roblox. All right, guys. So Roblox, we believe, is actually trading in this ABCD formation here. It's in this sideways trading for quite a long time, going back, the May of 2022. So approaching just shy of a 1 year formation. Okay, and what we're watching is this red line here. It's the little line. It could provide resistance here. Also, we have resistance coming in from this box drawn. This is the basically structure on the left hand side, could provide resistance. It needs to overcome this resistance, and then probably what we are watching for, what we think this stock is doing, is that it's moving in an ABC structure higher, and then this 57 to about $60 per share level is the kind of area the stock might be able to reach if it is able to successfully break out of this resistance here. And then of course we have the topping formation for the resistance coming from the 11th of August 2022 high. So guys, this is what we are watching in these major stocks that we quite frequently follow. If you like our analysis, have a look at the pattern recognition, how we make use of Fibonacci retracements to come up with price supports, support, resistance, and at times target levels using our ABCD formations. And please do subscribe to the channel. And if you found this video of educational value, then please do hit the like button. That way I know that people actually find the content of good educational value, and it just encourages me to keep on bringing more videos out for education purpose for you guys. Thank you very much. Good luck and good trading.